Hello ulit sa inyong lahat. Hi everyone, it's me again. So how are you guys? So right now, forgive my eye bags because I just came from a nap and I had little sleep. So what do I do today? Today I'm going to challenge myself. I'm going to try to speak in Taglish instead of Bislish like the usual. So I'll try to speak in Tagalog as much as I can, even though it's very difficult. By the way, this tutorial is dedicated to Kuya Rules. Hi Kuya Rules, you've been requesting this for a very long time now, and this is for you. Para din po sa lahat ng mga kaibigan kong taga Manila. Hi to my friends there in Manila. And this is going to be the basic contour and highlight tutorial. So ginagawa ko to kapag umattend ako ng mga special occasions or kaya kung feel ko na kailangan ko mag-contour kung marami akong oras, ganun. So madali lang to kasi ano lang, mga 4 na products lang ang kailangan natin. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit naisip ko yung Tagalog pero kakayanin ko to. So wish me luck and don't judge me if I won't do well because Tagalog is so difficult. Because hindi na ako nakabalik sa Manila. Pero hi to my Manila friends. I miss you all. Love you guys. Saying, you would just need 4 products. So, what I use for contour is the LA Pro Concealer. So, this is for the contour. And I use the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer. So, this is what I have lang. Tapos, I set it lang with powder. I use the Nichido Final Powder and there's another contour powder, whatever contour powder that you have. I have already put my foundation on and I already did my eyebrows and done a little bit of eye makeup even if it's not obvious. I have already put my blush on and a little bit of tint on my lips. So, the first thing that I do is I get the highlighter. So, I just get the highlighter and put it
under my eyes. On the other side. And then, this other parts back here. And then, at the bridge of the nose, on the side of my nose. Side of the lips, and on the chin area. So, that's where I put the highlight. Or the concealer, and then highlight.
Next step is the contour, so I won't blend it yet. So, here's the contour. I put this here. I do this, you can do the fish face. Put here, this side, just a little bit.
On the other side. Then on the forehead, because we need that. Here. And then on this part. Matawag ng double chin. Patawag ng Bisaya. So that we can hide the double chin. So, ayan. Dito, sa kabilang side naman, ganyan lang. Tsaka kung parang hindi makita yung double chin, apply ka din ng konti dito, ganyan. But I really look funny. And then on the bridge of the nose, just a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna blend this all together. So we cannot blend them like sabay. So what I do is I blend the highlight first. Here, and then there, after that. Hindi ko naman talaga na-perfecto eh. Ano lang, kapag may mga magkakamali, parang inaano ko na lang. Tawag ito. Parang ginamit ko na lang yung fingers ko. Okay lang naman yun kahit hindi ko perfect. Basta mag-blend mo lang, okay na. Kasi hindi lang halata yung mga mais mo. Ayan. Ayan.
Natin yung contour. Gawin mo yung fish face.
So, ito yung nalinis ko kung i-blend yun sa mukha. Ayan. Sana nakatabunan niya talaga lahat ng mga sana lumit yung mukha ko. Pero this usually works naman. Tapos kapag sa nose, I just usually use my finger. Ayan. Kasi nagmumove na yung ano. Pati yung highlight ko na part, nakapektuhan siya kapag gamitin ko pa yung beauty blender. Ayan. Ibang finger naman sa highlight. So, yun lang siya. It's a set with powder. So, I do the blending technique for the highlight. So, ayan. Yung beauty blender ko na basa. Nilagay ko lang siya sa powder. So, ayan. Lagay mo lang siya sa taas. Ayan. Lagay ka din konti dito. Sa baba ng contour mo. Ayan. Narinig kasi sana, huwag mo. Ano nagpaiba-iba yung product siya. So, yan. Try ko lang siya dito, gawin ulit yung fish face. So, it would vary on, ano lang, parang kayo bahala kung ano yung intensity na gagawin nyo. So, gusto nyo talaga sobrang dark. Dito ulit. Sa taas naman. Kasi yung forehead natin, malaking. So, kailangan talaga. Tapos naman, yung sa nose contour, fingers ko lang din yung ginagamit ko. Parang di pa mali ng mukha. So, ano na tayo magagawa?
Para maalis yung mga pinang-bake mo, you just use a clean brush and then swipe. Tapos, pwede mo na din i-apply yung highlighter mo.
So, dito, I just use the same brush na use as for Paano. So, I write here, and here also, then here, here, and the chin. Tapos pang mas naka-intensify dito din.
So, ayun. Lumit ba yung mukha ko? Wala nang pag-asa yan. Pero, ayun. Yun yung ginagawa ko para sa basic contour and highlight. Tapos, yun lang yun. And sana nag-enjoy kayo, Pero. So, if you like this video, thank you for supporting. Thank you for supporting my video. So, ayun. Thank you, guys. Oh, kaso. Lumiit ba? Ewan ko, basta. Yun na yun. That's what I do. Thank you.